Go to your Shopify dashboard, Settings. Click on the Apps and Sales Channels. Then click to Develop Apps. Then create an app. Add your app name and select your app developer. Then click on Create App. Move to the Configuration tab of your created app. Click to configure in the Admin API integration. On the configuration page, activate Read Permission for only what is necessary for your app to work. For example, if you migrate products, orders only, just enable API Read Permission for products and orders. Click on the Read Permission. Then save all settings. Click on Install App. The API credentials for your created app appear. Please copy the access token, then paste it in the access token field of the plugin setting. Go to Shopify to WooCommerce plugin. Enter your store address and access token where relevant. And save the settings. Thank you for watching our video. Let's subscribe our channel to update new useful videos.